Okay, sorry, my video cut off. Anyways, I'm just walking out to the back of my yard here, where I keep it's not I wouldn't call it a compost pile. I just dump my juice stuff out here, and when I get like horse manure or anywhere that I can get like an organic horse manure, I'll just dump it. So I just have a little pile out back here, and it just composts, and then I stir it up. I stir it up and this is all packed in here. And I just every day give that like a little, it's just at the back of the lot so no one even sees it, and I don't even need a box for it. I just kind of stir that into the soil or rake it into the soil. So now I'm just gonna come back to my garden and show you that I've just planted some of my own food. Some beets and carrots and lettuce and spinach and, you know, kale, and my kids like to watch peas in the pod grow, and like I said, we grow tomatoes and all kinds of things. So here we go. We're coming up to my garden here. Just walk backwards so you can see. So again, you just need a little bit of chicken wire fence, some boxes, and here's kind of a view. Not much is coming up yet. It's still early in the season here. You can see we're getting some sprouts, some different kinds of things. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. The point is you can grow vegetables anywhere. You can find a little spot in your front yard or backyard and do the raised beds. You can grow herbs in pots or little things along your railings. You can plant a few fruit trees, and you can rip out flower beds that are along your house and just have like whatever flowers or bushes in them, and do instead a garden. Tomatoes grow wonderful right up against the wall of a house, and it's great. You get a plentiful harvest around here. So again, it doesn't have to be a lot. Organic gardening, you do need to use manure. So we have a farm next door over here, so I just go and ask him to give me some horse manure, and we just put in some, horses that are eating grass and stuff, and put that and mix that in. And then if we have like composting stuff, we put in there and churn up the soil on the earth, and that's good. So that seems to work for us, and it's simple. It's easy. It doesn't have to be complicated. Like I said, you can just rip out your existing flower beds along the house that edge and line your house, and grow entire gardens or vegetables in there. And you can do pots on your deck for herbs. I love that. Tons of pots for herbs. And hopefully this helps. You know, every bit of organic homegrown food is wonderful. And you can't go wrong. Sure, you can go to the grocery store, sure, you can go to the farmer's market, but there's something about getting outside, getting your hands in the soil and growing your own food, to realize that, just to sort of make you see what foods come up, what's seasonal, what is good for you. You'll start to see the power of it when you grow your own, and it doesn't have to be big, but I do encourage you to start doing it as much as you can.